Yes.
And item number
13, yes.
13 last time. You can check.
Okay, yes.
I am put a response 1 and 2 Lord.
Item 13. Mr. J. Saiwala, learned senior counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
K Kolita.
A. Kalita.
K Kolita.
K. Kalita for the
Respondent.
for the respondent. Respondent submit that the matter has become ineffective. Accordingly, the writ petition is closed as effective.
I do.
What about item 12? It's not here, okay. Item 12 is also infractious.
Not going my lord.
Some point, but is it infractious?
One kind of culture, but for the criteria they have detected by technical need minor. Those are not minor, but mentioned in the NIT as well as in the GC. Only that point.
And how, if it's infractious, how does, that's only of academic interest. That's only of academic interest now, nothing remains. No, even if we decide that issue, what will happen? What will happen?
That is a work that they publish.
I think 80% or something has been done or something, no? How much? Yes, item 12, who is there?
Here, minor.
Mr. Okay, okay, we'll wait for some time.
Yes, with the consent of the petition, I recommend item number 14, madam.
Yes,
14, madam, let it come after 10 days, madam.
okay, Mr. S. Bora, are you filing affidavit?
Filing affidavit is ready, my lord, only waiting is required, madam.
Okay, Mr. S. Bora, please for
10 days, madam.
10 this time for filing affidavit as the same is to be sent for vetting.
No.
He submits that he has taken the consent of the other side.
My lord, I am 46.
Okay, Mr.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma appears for the petition. This is the matter after 10 days.
My lord, interim order passed.
Interim order to continue till the next day.
Public. Item 26, my lord.
Yes,
With the consent of the other side, my lord, I prefer 2 weeks time to file a affidavit. Or lordship may give me 1 week, my lord. This relates to my lord, a supply of dietary articles to the hospital, my lord. It is ready.
okay, right. Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the health department. Please for a week's time to file affidavit in
Fine.
opposition. Praise allowed. This is the matter after the week.
Obliged.
Yes.
20 and 22.
2022.
That the petitioner may- that is up to you. It comes to their matter. Comes to their-
Who has problem?
Security.
Here this. What has happened to Dr. B. Ahmed? I have not seen. Huh? Huh?
Is suffering variance.
I know he's suffering. How is he? How is he? Very serious or what? Eyes.
Problem is there.
Eye problem.
Yes.
So he's not coming to court anymore. Okay, who's for the other side?
I think
You have taken for Mr. Ayuddin. Appearing for Mr. Kayuddin. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter, submits that he has taken the consent of the other side for adjournment of the matter. Accordingly, leave this matter after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 27, Your Lordship, admission matter, and I am on behalf of Mr. R. Ali, and he is out of station due to his son's admission, Your Lordship. He
Huh?
has gone to Delhi, Your Lordship. I am on behalf of
Item 37, he's gone to Delhi.
27,
27.
Lordship. So the matter may be adjourned.
Adjournment prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, who had to suddenly go out of station. Who is for the other side? No one. Prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. Interim is there, Your Lordship.
Interim order to continue till the next date. Have you taken the consent of the other side?
Okay, I have not government, Your Lordship.
Huh?
I will inform you, Lord.
What is your name?
S. Hussain.
Mr. S. Hussain appears for the petition, submits that Mr. R. Ali, huh? Sir, okay, we said.
Developers.
You are supposed to take steps. When will you take? Mr. N. Gautam, appearing on behalf of? Your name is not there. That is the problem in the cause list. Huh? On behalf of Mr. R.M. Dekalan, counsel for the petitioners, submits that steps for service of notice upon the respondents will be taken today. Accordingly, leave this matter after 4 weeks. Sixteen. Huh?
I think it's the concept of the other side. Because if they find an activity open, there is a big time to reply.
Okay, Miss, adjournment prayer, no, what is your name? KK Saikia, KJ Saikia, appearing on behalf of Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that the petitioners need how much time? Needs 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition. List the matter after 3 weeks. Item 12. Huh? Okay. Yes, yes, is it infructuous?
As per Lordship, that one I have obtained.
Huh?
It is completed, Lordship.
Give me the item 12, give me the file. Work is completed.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
And so,
N. Sarkar, appearing on behalf of the petitioner, is present. Along with Mr. K. Gogoi, learned CGC
Lordship.
for all the respondents. The present case relates to the award of the construction work to the respondent number,
Respondent Railway Authorities, Lordship.
huh?
Respondent Railway Authorities, Lordship. It's a respondent number, Lordship, Jogi Rupa 2 and 5, Lordship.
No, work has been done by whom?
Work done by Lordship. Work was executed by the petition contractors. It is not made a party here, Lordship.
Okay,
Not made a party.
the matter pertains to the contract for the construction work to be made pursuant to the tender notice dated 11/2/2022. During the proceedings of this case, the contract work has been allotted to some contractor who has not been included in the writ petition. This court, by order dated 22/7. No, not this court, this is on 22/7/2024. Mr. K. Gogoi had stated that he would give the status report on the construction work done pursuant to the tender notice. He has submitted letter dated 26/7/2024 issued by the law officer of the, no, issued by the respondents, today, which states that the contract work has been completed. In the letter dated 26/7/2024 is made a part of the record and marked as annexure X. In view of the contract work having been completed, the writ petition has become infructuous. The writ petition is accordingly closed as infructuous.
Lordship, the present petition has been filed challenging the demand raised by the railway authorities. And
Where is the demand raised which is which page?
Lordship at page number 39.
Yes. So how can you challenge this?
Lordship, the railways are imposing penal undercharges on allegation of overloading. However, there was several breakdowns in the railway weighbridge, which is very.
This weighment was done in 2005.
Yes. And my lord,
This issue has already been decided by the single judge. You have also withdrawn your writ appeal, I think.
my lord, we have filed a writ appeal for the same. And when we filed the writ appeal, we were given a liberty to, since a new cause of action has arisen, we were given an opportunity of being heard as per the previous order. And when we conducted the meeting and the hearing,
Nothing remains.
Lord-
What is, you tell me the facts of the case. Tell me the facts of the case.
Lordship, in this case, present case, we were imposed at aggregate amount of 17,65,881 rupees.
When were you imposed?
28 July 2005.
28 July 2005, you were imposed what? How much?
Aggregate amount of 17,65,881 rupees.
Where is that? Where is that? Where is that document?
Lordship, annexure to
Page?
page number 40.
So you had sent an overweight consignment. And so this letter is of 28/7/2000. Then what happened?
Lordship, a demand was raised, and after the demand was raised, we filed a writ petition.
Demand was raised by whom?
By the railway authority.
For this 17 lakh. Then what happened?
After that, we filed a writ petition, we prepared a writ
What,
petition.
WPC number?
Writ petition 5597/2005.
97
2005.
97 2005.
Yes,
And what happened to it?
as per the order dated 10 April 2013,
10 April 2013.
Honorable Court directed that an opportunity of being heard should be provided.
Where is that page? So 19 years matter. We are trying to just rake up the issue, carry on over and over.
It is the
Anyway, just tell me the facts.
plot-
Tell me the fact. Where is the page? Which page? 10/4/2013 order. Which page? So that is not part of your writ petition.
Correct the order since it's the present case is the fifth round of the petition.
Fifth round.
Yes.
That is why I want everything because I'm going to write down everything. I'm going to dispose it off.
Yes, my lord, we prepared a writ petition 5597 wherein the order, lordship, I will place.
No. Your first writ petition was 97 of 2005. Correct?
Yes.
That was disposed of by order dated 10/4/2013. Correct? Then what happened?
Lordship, in this, we were given an opportunity of being heard.
Then what happened?
And bank guarantee, we were asked to supply for the bank guarantee.
Where is that? Where are those orders? Where is here in your writ petition?
Lordship, I would furnish this.
No, you file a proper writ petition.
Lordship. in
That
this-
you see the reason I'm hearing you is because your writ petition is incomplete and you're trying to rake up a 2005 matter. This is your fifth round of litigation, you said. And you have not put all the documents here so that I could have at least given a sequence of events.
Uh, only this order, I will furnish it, Lordship, in this, after that, if I can just.
No, no, you tell me now, you tell me now.
Yes, Lordship, after that, we preferred us.
No, no, after this order was passed, then what happened? After this 10/4/2013 order was passed, then what happened?
Order was passed and we were given an opportunity of being heard, but due to mobile agitation, we were unable to attend the hearing. And also we sought for the various documents such as.
So what was the decision taken by the authorities?
That the demand stays.
Where is that decision? You cannot play hide and seek with facts, Mr. Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
So I'll give you a chance to you withdraw, we file a proper writ petition, give me all the documents. All the documents, mind you, all the documents. Otherwise, in terms of KD Sharma's case, I can dismiss this writ petition. Yeah, fifth round of litigation, you are duty bound to give all the documents.
The respondents have not complied with the order. The court specifically mentioned to provide us.
Mr. Counsel, I'm not on that. You please give me all the documents, all the WPC 97 of 2005, that order of 10/4/2013, the order, all the various orders have to be in your writ petition.
Yes.
You cannot pick and choose whatever documents you want to put here.
From this order, all the order has been put up. If you may give liberty to me to furnish it on the next day.
No. I want to read the entire thing. It cannot be in bits and pieces. Your writ petition cannot be in bits and pieces. It has to be one complete Mr. Counsel, this is the fifth time you're coming to the court. That's what you have said.
Yes.
If it's the fifth time, you have to give all the documents. I've got some documents here, some documents here, additional affidavit. This will not do. The sequence has to be smooth.
In the sequence, just this order has not been annexed.
Only this order. Okay, where is the other order after this 10/4/2013? Okay, right. You're wasting time. I'm dismissing your writ petition. You can go ahead.
Please grant me liberty to file this bid. I will put all the, I will annex all the documents and all the orders.
Mr. What
D.
is,
Rathi.
huh?
D. Rathi.
Your name is not here.
Divyansh Rathi. Lordship, I filed it in the morning and it's shown in the website. I have the receipt there.
So, Mr. D. Rathi. Yeah, RATHI, huh? Mr. D. Rathi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits a prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh by incorporating all the past orders of the various writ petitions filed by the petition, including the orders issued by the respondent authorities pursuant to the orders passed in the writ petition. Full stop. The petitions counsel further submits that this is the fifth round of litigation pertaining to the demand made by the railway authorities for payment of money for sending an overweight consignment in the year 2005. The prayer of the petitions counsel is allowed. Mr. S. S. Roy appears for the
All the
all the petition after the result. The writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty of faith. We issue notice.
Yes.
Mr. N. J. Khatanir, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner's water supply bill amounting to rupees 39,10,890 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mrs.
S. Sharma.
S. Sharma
For
accept
1 to
notice
4.
uh,
For
all
S1
1
is
to 4,
Yes.
while Miss M. Kalita appears for 5 to 7. What about 8?
Final.
Mr. P. Nayak accept notice on behalf of point number 8. List the matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavits. Item 3. No one appears for the petitioner. On call, list the matter after the week. Okay, right. Had Mr. S. Borthakur, who submits that the petitioner's vehicle hire charges amounting to 22,20,447 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. S. S. Roy accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. This is the matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit. 5, same thing, except the amount is 13,01,481. There are 2 writ petitioners. Two different NITs, same NIT. They did not get it. Somebody else got it. Huh?
What else had got the settlement notice and some restriction had also been prepared, but we had not done it.
So was there any offer made to you for the settlement of the fishery or for the market or whatever? What is it?
Nothing.
Huh? No. So you have filed representations. So should we dispose of by directing? I think better. I think they'll take time otherwise. है ना? Where is the representation? Page 60. But this is for both of you all have done. Together you all have done.
And representation also submitted by both the
Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
articles.
R. Fukan, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submits that the petitioners had participated in the tender process pursuant to the NIT dated 19/1/2021 for settlement of what? Settlement of the which mahal?
Dipujan.
For there is Gangaranga, Garsag, Maldiya, Punja also. Which one? You don't know, no idea. Okay, for settlement of the Dipujijan, Garanga, Garsak,
And
Maldiya, Punja, Min Mahal. Min Mahal, Min Mahal, bracket group fishing. His earnest money has not been given.
Yes,
Why are you not giving back?
as a representation.
yes.
Should have been given back. Why not being given back? So the petitioner's counsel submits that the settlements of the above fisheries, group fisheries, have not been made in favor of the petitioners, and as such, they are entitled to be given back their earnest money. Gustav, the petitioner's counsel submits that though a representation dated 26/9/2023 has been issued to the District Commissioner Morrigan for return of the earnest money, the same has not been done till date. Ms. U Das appearing for
3 and 4 months.
3 and 4, and Mr. P. Sharma appearing for
1.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Submit that if the petitioners have not been settled with the fishery in pursuant to the NIT, their earnest money should have been returned back to them. Correct?
Lordship.
That's the law.
Yes,
Then you have to say what's right. You cannot hide behind the bush.
Lordship has to.
Next, on considering the submissions made by the councils for the parties, it is clear that if the bidders have not been selected to operate the fishery pursuant to the NIT dated 19/1/2021, there cannot be any ground for the respondents to withhold the earnest money and not return the same to the concerned bidders, to concerned unsuccessful bidders. In view of the above, in view of the fact that the petitioner's representation dated 26/9/2023, bracket annexure 3, has not been decided by the District Commissioner Morrigan, the District Commissioner Morrigan is directed to take a decision on the petitioner's representation for return of his earnest money within a period of 10 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order, and return the money to the petitioners if they are entitled to the same. The writ petition is accordingly disposed.
7.
Lordship made this matter faster for the timing.
Okay, no, basically, their case is that it is a fishery settled for 7 years. Okay, and possession was given in October 17.
Okay.
So now they want extension, that's all. So their term is ending in October. Now, one thing they are also saying is that there was due to some flooding, a reassessment of the revenue was made, which was approved. So the reassessed revenue amount can be paid.
Because I was going to, I was not served the copy.
In this case, I don't think my learned friends could be partners, my lord. All that I'm asking for is, let them consider, give a final.
No, I will not serve copy.
See, AFDC is not the party in this case.
No, but he's also for fishery.
Department now.
The Friday law.
No. Most high as well. We will serve.
Permitted lordship.
Most high as well.
No.
Simple matter is.
Yeah,
My lord, that when the fishery was initially settled with the petitioner, the revenue was 18 lakhs and not per year. Now there was siltation, there was erosion by the river and all. And that is eventually, if your lordship kindly comes to the report at page number 95. Sorry, not 91. Page number 105.
yes,
Sorry. Page number 103.
yes.
Now, initially, my lord, I filed a representation. Based on the representation, government calls for a report. Now, the government that the district fishery development officer submits the report at page 103.
So there has been a reassessment of the revenue payable.
Yes,
Now
but-
this reassessment, where is the approval is there or not?
It's there. So it's not a government, it's not a fishery development. Corporation.
Okay.
Now, that is what is indicated. If your lordship will kindly come to page 103, with reference to your letter cited above, I have the honor to submit herewith. The reassessment revenue value of number 5 so and so, considering the joint inquiry report of Buragon Mayam Revenue Circle, along with this, a calculation sheet of the present water holding area is enclosed herewith. Now, it starts from 104. If your lordship will kindly come to page 105. Now, the revenue has been assessed at, instead of 18 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 22,211
For which period?
for the, no, my lord, per year.
No, but this is of 24.
I know. No, this, now please come to page 106. Now, this is a report by additional deputy commissioner to the Millard government. A submission of inquiry report so based on the reassessment with reference to the subject cited above. I would like to place the following points for your kind perusal. Existing area is only 250, initially it was 800 and all.
You have surrendered the fishery.
Yes,
Oh, you have surrendered
no,
the.
but then possession we have because they have not taken back the possession. Now,
That
the
has to
catch
be-
is Millard,
that has to be
revenue,
clarified.
serial number 4. Revenue deposited in surrender, that is 24/4/24, is 1,54,275. My lord, total revenue I am supposed to pay is 1,29 lakhs. I have already paid, my lord, 1,05. Now they say.
No, not 29. It will be
No, my lord.
1 crore 22, around 22
No,
only.
my lord. My tender value was 1,29.
But then look at this four
They
says,
they have said.
but
So now, fact of the matter is out of 1.29, I have already paid 1 crore.
1 crore,
Now,
correct.
according to them, give is 21.
21.
Now, this assessment is based on, my lord, 18 lakhs. Now, if it is 6 lakhs, it will come down. So therefore, they should consider my period for extension.
Extension of what?
From the fishery under rule 8B.
But you have already surrendered it.
But even
Okay.
they have not taken back. With possession with us, there is no dispute on that. Now, please come to the lord. page
No,
number-
but one thing is that as per the various judgments passed by this court, I don't think extension can be given without call of tender.
Extension would be, my lord, then my lord.
Again, they should be in position.
Huh?
They should, they are there.
I am still in possession.
No, it's not position. Their settlement should be in force, Lord.
Yes, it is in force. Settlement is in force. Settlement is up to 25.
But they have surrendered, no?
No,
No, they have not taken.
settlement is up till October 2010 only, 2024 only. You have
Ah,
taken,
24.
yes,
24.
24.
Now, where is my lord?
24.
July.
No,
July.
It is as per
July.
106
Yes, sir.
page
Huh?
number. They have surrendered 24/4/2010.
Yes, surrendered.
Let me place my case, then my lord.
Well, let them take a decision. Let them take a decision.
Yeah, they should take the decision. Legal status quo as well they be maintained.
No status quo. It will be-
It makes no sense.
No, what status quo do you want?
No, what I, Lawson kindly permit you to place one aspect. Please come to the,
No, we cannot allow possession. Since the period is till October,
yes,
so nothing will happen till October. Now it's August, September, that's all.
term is there. There's no
Kindly go to page 107, Lord.
107. Yes,
They have given withdrawal of surrender application made by so and so, Carbine Nandini Samiti Limited on extension period of lease. They have already given application for withdrawal lots.
this is withdrawal of surrender.
Yes,
So Lordship.
No, first thing I want to know is, when was the surrender application made?
24/4.
24/4.
Yes.
What has happened to the surrender application? Was it acted upon?
Actually, I need action. Few minutes ago, my name, 5 minutes ago, I got that copy, Lordship.
Correct.
Lordship,
No, if my lord, if-
Let him obtain. Let him obtain instruction.
Yes, no problem. Only thing is, my lord, if you will kindly come to page 96 for a minute. Now that possession aspect is being clarified.
Yes,
5, serial number 5.
yes.
If possession of the fishery has not been taken over or surrendered till now, then immediate steps be to be taken for taking it over and keeping it in fresh settlement after completion of the required formality. And this is amongst others one information which was sought for by the government from the deputy commissioner's office. Now please come to page 106. This is the report, sir. Is the reply, page 106. Serial number 5, file is in process. So my lord, as on date, it is with us. Now this is, to this, my lord, to page 96, 106 is the reply of the office. of
Anyway,
the-
let us see. Third, Mr. K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner was settled with the
Number,
number 5 Sonai Nadi Part 3 Mean Mahal of Moregaon district for a period of 7 years. White order dated 22/9/2017. The possession of the fishery was handed over to the petitioner on 4/10/2017. And as such, the settlement period would expire only on 3/10/2017. The petitioner's case is that, Ms. Farah, huh? The petitioner's case is that there was illegal encroachment of the fishery. Besides, the flooded and silted by floods in Moregaon district. Full stop. As the petitioner was unable to pay revenue to the government, the respondent number 1 called for a status report from the respondent number 5. Full stop. The inquiry conducted by the respondent number 6 through the circle officers was to the effect that the area of the fishery was reduced and the reassessed revenue was made
Case 105,
was made
6 lakhs. 2,211.
where do you get the 6 lakh?
Case 105, somewhere in the middle.
Was made at the rate of rupees 6,026,02,211 by the district fishery development officer on 21/6/2024. Next paragraph. The petitioner's counsel further submits that though the petitioner had made an application
Page 91.
for surrender
Page 91.
of the fishery, while application dated
24,
24
4, 24.
24/4/24,
Page 91.
comma, page 91.
91.
Yes.
91. Last part, 92, last part may be recorded lordship. He has, surrendered.
Just a minute, just a minute.
He said that he is unable to pay the amount.
Because how can I pay when the size of the.
Page
fishery is
92,
not
last part,
much?
last paragraph, lordship. May I relay?
The,
92, last.
the same has been, no, it's okay. And requested the fishery department to float a fresh tender. Comma, the surrender of the fishery has been, the application for surrender of the fishery has been withdrawn. Wide letter dated 15/7/2024. Next paragraph.
During this period, we have also asked.
And he has also asked, and no,
Page
first up,
96.
why the representation dated 15, why the letter dated 15/7/2024? The petitioner has also asked the respondents to extend the period of lease, which has not been decided by the respondent authority still.
Lordship, may I, lordship, 24/4/2024 representation has been disposed of, lordship. That letter, page number 95, lordship.
So what do you want?
My only lordship, this, their representative, earlier representation for surrender has been disposed of. And by that, while disposing that application.
It has been disposed of?
Disposed of, lordship.
Where?
In 95, lordship.
Huh?
Page 95, lordship.
95, yes. Where?
Representation dated reference, representation dated 24/4/2024.
Okay.
No, my lord, he's seeking a report on this.
No, it's taking a report.
Report on it.
If possession of fishery has not been taken over, then we will issue notice to it. Huh? We'll ask you, or you want to file, or you will take instructions, or we issue notice.
Wait, issue notice, lord. Without stay, lordship.
Okay, right. Issue notice, returnable in 2 weeks or 10 days.
Then the 1 week, because he is only opening instruction because my time is coming to an end. He'll only obtain inspection.
Okay.
Anyway, you're still in possession, how does it matter? Then? Returnable in 2 weeks. Uh, Mr. Udas, Mrs. Udas accepts notice on behalf of
5 and 6.
5 and 6, while Mr. P. Sharma accepts notice on behalf of all the other respondents. All the other respondents. Full stop. The Mr. P. Sharma shall obtain instructions as to whether the surrender of the fishery by the petitioner in terms of the representation dated 22, what is it, 24,
24, 4, 20.
24, 424 has been acted upon by the respondents prior to 15/7/2024. And an order issued to that effect. He shall also obtain instructions with regard to the representation / letter dated 15/7/2024. This is the matter on, give a date.
I surrendered because I was unable to pay the revenue. And the reason being, the erosion and all. Now, my earlier representations were pending. Now, based on my representation, my lord, action is being taken because this, even this letter dated 16th of May, by which government is sorry. But they are yet to take this aspect to a logical end. But in between, only thing is, my lord, they will not take any action which will prejudice my.
Oh, what, otherwise we can dispose of this writ petition with a direction that the representation should be decided.
Decided in terms of the report.
So dispose, lordship can dispose it now also.
So-
Can I appreciate because that is.
Sorry, here,
Okay, don't say issue notice. Just say, Mr. K.
I
Chaudhary.
want small submission, lordship. Lordship, in page number 296, lordship, in the last part, the fishery department has directed the deputy commissioner, if possession of the fishery has not been taken over or surrendered till now, then immediate steps to be taken for taking it over and keep it thus till fresh settlement after completion of required formalities. So there is a direction from the department that there should be
But has it been done or not?
that I don't know. It is, I got in
So you should know from page 106, come to 5.
instruction, lordship,
What?
lordship can dispose it of. It will be better, lordship. Instead of keeping it.
I think you are arguing with yourself.
Actually, I have not got the copy also. I
Yeah,
have
that
not
is
got-
what, that's what. He said in the first thing today, he said he did not get a copy.
I have not, that not well papered always.
No
prepared always.
problem, no problem. No problem. Right. Mr. K. Chaudhary, the learned senior counsel, that submits that the present writ petition can be disposed of if a direction is issued to the respondent authorities.
Government in the fishery department.
To whom? Basically to a specific officer matter.
Yes, to the addition,
Respondent number, secretary fishery department.
so now it is, there is additional secretary, lordship.
Okay, additional chief secretary.
Additional.
Okay, issued to the additional chief secretary to the government of Assam, fishery department, to take a decision on the petitioner's representations dated 24/4/2024 and
15/7.
15/7/2024.
And in between, my lord, earlier there was a representation which was not acted upon, which I have indicated in my,
What is the date?
yes,
Date.
1 second, I'm giving the date.
Any representation, lordship.
No, we have got to clarify. There's
Yes, yes.
be a
One
problem.
person.
Anyway, write it, huh? Dash, huh? We'll just put
Just giving the date.
Mr. Mr. P. Sharma, learned
Go to the-
counsel for all the respondents except respondents number
5, 6, 5 and 6.
5 and 6. No, no, just say this is Mr. P. Sharma, and Council, P. Sharma and Ms. Udas. Councils for the response submit that they have got no objection to the prayer of the petitioner. Prayer of the petitioner's council, full stop. In view of the consent of the parties, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the additional chief secretary to the government of Assam Fishery Department to take a decision on the petitioner's representations dated
18/8/23.
18/8/23, 24/4/24 and 15/7/24.
Yes.
Within a period of,
1 month.
within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order, along with a copy of the writ petition.
Till then, my lord, they will not undertake any retender.
No, no, there, nothing will happen. One month, you give 1 month.
No, they might go for retender.
Your lordship make.
Okay, till a decision is taken by the,
Lordship, by this way, lordship, if possession, they are not on, they are not, they have surrendered the order, lordship.
no, but he said that, he said
Only
that,
the possession is there.
we won't go there. You see, possession has not been given, and he has withdrawn his,
Yes.
If suppose
withdrawn his
they are-
application.
No, okay, lordship, make it 7 days. 7 days, I will.
What, dispose of within
Dispose of.
7 days?
Within 7 days.
Okay, within 7 days.
Nothing will happen, lordship, in 7 days.
My lord, let it be 12, 15 days, in which case.
I know, 7 days too short,
Yeah,
he will
Then-
not have
then
time.
Make it 10 days, lordship, I will dispose it of, lordship.
No, it has to be a proper disposal. Within a period of 2 weeks, right? Huh? Not 30 days, within 2 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Till a decision is taken by the additional chief secretary, fishery department, the respondents should not issue any fresh tender notice in respect of the said fishery.
Okay, in that case,
Till a
lordship,
decision is taken,
lordship, there is another, if tender goes, lordship, we have to issue again to the deputy governor.
what
If lordship this way, lordship, if lordship give this way, that tender is not issued, then we have to issue to the deputy government, sir. If it is being processed, lordship, by this order, lordship, we don't know, lordship.
if a tender has already been issued,
Process, lordship.
Sir,
I
why
will-
you are creating
then,
unnecessary confusion?
then you come to this court by way of a review.
Okay.
You come to this court, we'll change it, we'll change the order.
Okay, that will be better, lord.
This case is particular,
No, then I'll be
No, no,
having
the
a
copy was
problem.
not served to me, lordship, that is one other issue, lordship.
You remind me of this, in this, where is this, this show, Simon Cowell's show. Uh, Britain's Got Talent. There was one comedian there. It looked quite similar there in that. Anyway, a lighter side, nothing, nothing derogatory. Writ petitions accordingly disposed of.
Case to the issue, because a tender was noted by Animal Husbandry Department on 13th of February.
Item?
37. Mahalakshmi Municipal.
Item 37. Yes, what is this?
So the tender was noted by the Animal Husbandry Veterinary Department on 13th of February 2024 for supply and procurement 367 numbers of live refrigerators. That's what my lord, for injection and all those things are being.
Okay.
Now, my lord, we participated, 10 numbers participated. There was a technical bid which was opened on 13/3/2024. Technically, my lord, out of 10, 4 qualified, we were amongst that 4. Now, financial bid was opened on 15th of March 2024, and we were found L1. All of the R3 was L2, L3, L4. Now, my lord will recollect the election on code of conduct. So there was a bit of gap because they could not have to do 4. Thereafter, my lord, we represented the matter once the conduct opened that the settlement should be made, letter of intent, because 15th of March 2024. But they were keeping quiet. In the meantime, when we represent the matter on 22nd of June, director has called us along with all. Now, I don't know what is will be the outcome, but what I am praying that let an OPB issue, let them get instruction. Why?
why this particular should not be.
But you have said here that in the meeting that was held between you and the authorities, you were informed that the authorities
They
had
may-
decided to cancel.
Till it is not, my lord, that is.
No,
why-
no, but then your stand,
Yes, yes, right, correct.
you have to make, you have got to make submission as per your
No, that's
pleadings.
correct. That's your right, lordship is right. I mean, otherwise I'll, because what he says, no, that's why I made all the parties. Now the director, not director said because certain companies, those four parties who were the manufacturer, they said no.
No,
After-
the reason being that the eligibility criteria in the NIT was not in terms of the PQS code standard or something like that.
But
Now, is that correct?
they have to follow the advisory. That was not, that's why some complaints.
So if they have not followed it,
They-
which they followed, okay, they followed.
100% they are followed.
Okay,
Now
good.
just-
Yes, what, madam, any submissions?
Lordship, I'm not aware that whether they have cancelled it or not. I have.
No, no, not on that. I'm not on that. I'm not on that. I'm on the issue of whether the NIT had made a condition or made some clause was there that the say, and that clause was in terms of the WHO code, WHO standard code or whatever, PQS code, whether that was there, and whether that is a necessity or it is an afterthought.
If you.
That's all.
My little kindly see one minute. See page 40. Kindly see.
49. Yes,
See, this is the advisory to be followed.
yes,
This is livestock. If you see the first paragraph,
yes,
director comes so and so. To government of marketplace so and so 367 specification, leave that specification. Now kindly see, must not dilute the advisory for procurement of cold chain, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy, so and so. Government of India, they should not dilute. Kindly see the date minus 28th of March 2022. See page 74 now. Advisory page 74. See 74.
yes,
First paragraph, as you are aware that under the National Animal Disease Control Program for control of so and so, central assistance provided to states for procurement of equipment necessary so and so. Vaccine, so I therefore request last to discover your person and direct the officer to adhere to the specific terms of procurement, cold chain infrastructure to GM. Any deviation of this will repair prior approval department along with so and so.
okay, where is this WHO standard? It, WHO standard, where is that?
Now, my lord, kindly see 82. Part of the advisory, kindly see 82. Commercial terms, see 82.
Yes,
The following terms are essential for long-term benefit of the program. What you got it?
yes,
See at page 83. 1.6. The
Yes.
commercial products may be tested IOC 17025 acceptable. We follow, we always.
anyway, okay, let the government specify. Okay, right, heard Mr. D. Das, learner senior counsel for the petitioners, assisted by Mr. B. Gogol. The petitioner's case is that they have participated in a tender under the GM portal dated 13/2/2024 for procurement of 367 ice-lined refrigerators. The petitioner's technical bid. No, the petition, the petitioner's technical bid was found to be qualified at the technical bid evaluation stage. And when the financial bids were opened on 15/3/2024, the petitioner was found to be L1 amongst the four bidders whose technical bids had qualified. The technical bid evaluation stage. Full stop. As no final decision was being taken by the authorities for awarding the supply order, the petitioner made a representation
27.
on 27/2020 4. And in a meeting held with the Principal Secretary of the Health AH and Veterinary Department on 25/7/2024, the petitioner was made to understand that the entire bidding process might be cancelled on the plea that one of the eligibility criteria relating to product tests in the tender had not been made in terms of WHO PQS code standard. Good stuff. The learned senior counsel submits that the same would be in contradiction to the advisory issued by the central government on 28/3/2022, as well as point number 9 of the disclaimer in the GEM portal. Issue notice returnable in 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
2 weeks.
3 weeks. Miss
Kotoki,
MM Kotoki accepts notice on behalf of
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 4 to 6 by a registered post with AD within the course of the day.
Yes.
Within the course of the day. List the matter. Give a date of the 3. 21st August. Okay. In the interim, status quo shall be maintained in relation to the e-tender notice dated 13/2/2024.
38. May I pick it up? My lord, all aims Guwahati, my lord, issued and tenders for appointment of, they call it engagements of agency,
Tender dated
tender is dated, 4th of March.
24
Yes, 4th of,
for
engagement of basically security agency. The name of
where is the NIT?
my lord,
Where is the NIT?
NIT is at page number 31. Providing security services to Guwahati.
Where service on job outsourcing basis. What does it mean?
Basically, they are providing manpower and they're providing security to the institution.
That's all.
as they work. Yes. Now, my lord, we are agreed by 1/3 of the selection process. If your lordship will kindly come to page number 87. This is the technical bid evaluation of the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, we have no grievance up to serial number 5. Now please come to 6.
Yes.
Master security plan presentation before committee authorized by competent authority. I was awarded 16 marks out of 20. So total I got 96. So I'm in 3rd position. Now, my lord, that the work is sought to be given to respondent number 3. Intelligence Security of India. Now, my lord, petitioner, as far as petitioner credentials are concerned, if your lordship would kindly come to page 91. Page 91. Please come to the 3rd subpara. SIS with 2.5 lakh as a lordship got.
Yes.
SIS with 2.5 lakh permanent employee, a group turnover of INR 12,000 is a market leader in security solution, facility management and cash logistics in India, where it operates 24 regional offices and 250 plus branch offices. SIS also presence in overseas. Now, my lord, very astonishing how, my lord, I could have given 16 marks. My main case is projected in paragraph 11. Para 10, sorry. Para 10 at page 6.
Yes,
That the petitioner humbly begs to state that the petitioner had also participated in debates and submitted its technical and financial bid as per the tender document terms. The petitioner submitted its bid document stating and submitting all the required details and documents as per the terms and conditions.
we issue notice, that's all.
No, your question is from tomorrow onwards, my lord, today is the last day. So tomorrow onwards, they might, my lord, engage the respondent number
They
3.
might, but then-
My only submission is, my lord, as such, I am on extension period for about a brief spell. My only submission is, my lord, if a lordship just first recorded satisfaction regarding awarding of 16 marks to me, let the matter be placed there
No,
for
no.
tomorrow. Let my learned friend is there, my lord. ANC is at Guwahati only.
This
I
master
have to
secretary,
give-
how are we to decide whether you should be giving 15.5, 16.5?
When a
Let them decide.
It's a fundamental principle of our jurisprudence. When a subjective satisfaction is recorded, then that subjective satisfaction is always subject to judicial review.
We'll see.
So
I don't
unless my lord, my repetition becomes infractuous.
Might not. We'll say it's the outcome of the retention, subject to the outcome.
Then Milord will kindly do like this, my lord. Let the matter be fixed after a week. Lord will protect us meanwhile.
No
In
protection.
this sense, my lord, any decision will be subject to the outcome.
That will do.
And let them find shortly, otherwise, my lord, they will say that now they will plead equity, they were running.
Already it was awarded to the losses, as number 3 loss.
Already
They
awarded.
already awarded, yesterday evening I have contacted to the losses register. Already awarded.
But then, my lord, let them give us the copy, we could challenge that also. But my lord, that will be subject to outcome of the case.
Naturally.
Lordship issue notice subject to outcome. In the meantime, Lordship, I will file affidavit, and even Lordship director, I can place the whole record also, Lordship.
This is an issue we'll have to be,
Lordship, it's-
whether we can decide, I don't know.
Lordship.
I do agree. My only submission is, now, my lord, in para 10, I have spelled out why I should be preferred. I may be wrong. Maybe they have got better credentials. But my lord, how they have applied their mind to the relevant consideration, that is an aspect of which will always. my
These
lord.
are all subjective
How can it
satisfaction.
be sub-
I
Then, my
don't
lord,
know.
materials has to be objective.
I don't know.
Now-
There are some
Then
objective,
Lordship,
some-
above the
everything
petitioner,
cannot be
other-
objective.
Other one also there, Lordship.
Huh?
Even the petitioner, also, in between Lordship, selected candidate and the petitioner,
They
there
are
also
already,
there, Lordship.
they are already. my lord,
Anyway, we'll
they are
issue.
already not engaged by the aims one. Presently, I think of providing this security in Bhubaneswar, Raipur and so.
Give chance to some others also.
Even Lordship,
That's it.
all the private banks,
You
Lordship.
cannot be the security
No, no, that's correct.
company.
If that is the consideration, then it would have been different. But when you have disqualified me on the ground that I am not.
You have not been
not
disqualified.
When you have not
Given the,
considered me, then you must give a good reason for that.
you have considered you not giving you the desired
Only Lordship,
marks.
Quality-based Lordship selection criteria.
Anyway,
Lordship,
those we'll see.
Lordship, Lordship.
Difficult, this type of
Lordship,
case is difficult,
Lordship.
right? Third, Mr. Ken Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner participated in the tender notice dated 4/3/2024 issued by AIMS Guwahati for 21.
It's 31 Lordship.
3-1.
For engagement, inverted commas, engagement of agency for providing security services on job outsourcing basis, inverted commas closed. Close. The petitioner's grievance is that the petitioner has been awarded only 16 marks for the under the criteria under serial number 6, under serial number 6, which is the criteria inverted commas, master security plan presentation before committee authorized by competent authority Serial number 6, page 87. Full stop. The petitioner's counsel submits that in view of the 96 marks obtained by the petitioner has been placed in the third position. Full stop. He submits that the petitioner could not have been given only 16 marks in serial number 6 for the reasons provided in para 10 of the writ petition. Full stop. He accordingly submits that the where is the prayer? He accordingly submits that he submits that a decision has been taken by the respondent number 2 to allot the work to the respondent number 3. Full stop. As the which full stop, huh? He submits that till a decision is taken in this case, comma, status quo as on today should be maintained. Full stop. On the other issue notice returnable in 2 weeks.
Let it 3 weeks, Lordship.
Issue returnable in 2 weeks. Mr. K. Gogoi accepts notice on behalf of
1 and 2. Lordship.
1 and 2 while no.
Lordship.
3, my lord.
Okay. Note, petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by a registered post with AD within
Dusty
the within the course of the day. Full stop. In addition to the above, the petitioner shall also serve notice upon the respondent number 3 through dusty service and file affidavit of service within 10 days. Full stop. Next para. Mr. K. Gogoi, learned counsel for the respondents number 1 and 2 submits that the work has already been awarded to the
That's number 3.
respondent number 3 yesterday,
Yes.
comma, that is 30/07/2024. Full stop. Leaves the matter after 2 weeks. The decision taken by the respondents, comma, if any, shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
My learned friend will do us a favor by fixing a copy of the order. Because you have to.
He can do it in the, we do it, if it's there, we just give it to him.
Then Lordship, I will place the record also, Lordship. No need to indicate, but I will place the record also.
Okay, on the next date.
Yes.
Okay,
No, I will place, no need to indicate, I will
okay, you'll do it.
follow it, Lordship.
What to do?
Lordship, the opposite party was supposed to take examen, I guess, so I'm not well prepared for the matter.
No, they were supposed to take steps. You don't need to argue. Only thing is, what is the case about?
Some tender, I guess.
Some tender you guess. You're
Absolutely,
guessing?
my lord.
Okay, right. No one appears for the petitioner. Wide order dated 18/9/2023. Notice was issued. Returnable on 16/10/2023. The petitioner was to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by a registered post with AD as well as by dusty service. Full stop. As per the office notes dated 2009-2023, 12-10-2023, and 16-7-2024, the petitioner has not taken any steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 till today. When this matter was listed, next para, when this matter was listed on 16-10-2023, the learned counsel for the petitioner had prayed for adjournment, and accordingly, the matter was adjourned for 3 weeks. Next para. As stated in the foregoing paragraph, the petitioner is not represented today, and no steps have been taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 for the last 9 months. It appears, the next para, it appears that the petitioner is not interested in pursuing this matter. However, as a last chance and in the interest of justice, list the matter again. Monday, next Monday. Acha, you write her name, Miss
K Deka on behalf of RTV.
Miss K. Deka appears on behalf of Miss R. Devi, learned counsel for the
All the
state respondent.
CGC.
Huh?
All the
Respondent number 5 is a private respondent, madam.
CGC.
You really don't know anything about the case. Try to know at least a little bit. For CGC for the state respondents. Huh? That's it.
Deal with the party as it lies.
Nine years. Give me the main repetition. You want to impede who? Were all of these persons parties in the writ petition? Some of them. Then you cannot add anyone that you like in the contempt petition. Huh? No, madam, necessary parties means those parties that were already there in the writ petition. The parties who are not there in the writ petition, how can you impede them? And where is the leave? Let us see the leave given to you. 15/9/23. 15/9/23. It says for file has prayed for listing of the case after 2 weeks for filing of appropriate pleadings for impediment substitution of party respondent. For substitution, impediment and substitution of the party respondent. You cannot put in somebody who was never there in the earlier petition. You see, madam, let us go to the order first. Page number 19. Correct. Now let us see. The number 1 is State of Assam and 8 others, represented by the Commissioner and Secretary, Public Health Department. There is no special Chief Secretary. Okay. Say special Chief Secretary we allow. Say. Number 2 is Chief Engineer, Public Health Department, Sanitation. Sanitation, okay, we can allow. Then now you have asked for Chief Engineer, PHE, Water Public Health Engineering Department. That is not a party here. Then how can you ask for that? And then the next is Executive Engineer, PHE, Store and Workshop Division. Where is the Store and Workshop Division? Not there. You cannot add whoever. Already in your writ petition, you have got 3 executive engineers. Now you want to add a 4th in the contempt. How can you do that? And then number 5, Special Secretary to the Government of Assam, PHE. So you see, either the Special Chief Secretary should come in the place of Commissioner Secretary, or the Special Secretary should come. Who? You cannot add whoever you like, madam. And this one is Executive Engineer, Hengra Bari. Hengra Bari is not here at all. What do you want to do? You file a fresh, I think better. You make it proper. And just think who you want instead of whom, okay? Because now supposing even if we, supposing now, now you have said Nipendra Kumar Sharma. This can be done. Huh? These two can be done. These two can be done. Others can't be done. Others, so you file some separate application, okay? Right, heard Miss D Das. D Das, learned counsel for the applicants who submits that what happened to Avinash Purushottam Das Joshi? What happened to him? He retired. Huh? He retired. Transferred. And what about this Bilya Mangal Roy? Transferred. Okay. Who submits that the respondents number 1 and 2 have been transferred up. She accordingly praised that. MD Sainuddin Abbasi, Special Chief Secretary to the Government of Assam, Public Health Engineering Department, Hengrabari, Dispur, Guwahati, 781006. And number 2, Shri Nripendra Kumar Sharma, the Chief Engineer Sanitation, Public Health Engineering Department, Hengrabari. No. What have I said? One is Hengrabari, Guwahati, 781036 should be included as respondents number 3 and 4. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that she is not pressing for impleadment of Miss Gayatri Bhattacharya, Shri Pradumna Bordoloy, and Shri Diganta Kumar Baro. In view of the fact that they are not there, in view of the fact that the post that they are holding, no, don't say that. Don't say anything. The prayer of the applicant's counsel is allowed. So and so, dependent upon that so and so, Sainuddin Abbasi and so and so are implemented as respondents number 3 and 4. Okay. Applicants to submit a corrected cost title, amended / corrected cost title to the registry within 3 days. Then the application is accordingly allowed and disposed of to the extent indicated above. Then in the main case, right, in view of the order dated 31/7/2020 Four, passed in IAC 2185 of 2024. She census so are replaced with point number 3 and 4. Issue notice to the respondents number 3 and 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 and 4 by registered post with AD within a week. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Okay. Payment of contractual. Affidavit when they
Admitted to 3,96,000. That will do.
We have raised objection regarding non-vendor of necessary party, your lordship. That is Jal Shakti, your lordship.
How does it matter?
Lordship, we could not pay in fact, we could not pay if Jal Shakti has not.
Let us see
released the
that this is this.
If Jal Shakti has not released the money, we could not.
Look, you have not paid any. Even where Jal Shakti has been impeded, you have still not paid.
No, then.
Have you paid them? In the other
Yes,
petitions?
Yes, your lordship, part by part, we have paid as much money Jal Shakti has released, we have paid, your lordship.
Can you see the
27?
May?
May.
This one quarter in the year 2012. 15 they paid me part.
Out there, this order is already stated.
22 months. The Jal Shakti scheme, and even then, it is a protection of the river erosion. It is a fact control. And Jal Shakti is a different scheme. Har Ghar Ghar Jal Mahal. That is introduced in there only 22 months. And that too, it is the public health engineering department, not water resources. You know, can you see this order?
This is by the
Water resources. And Jal Shakti is the public health engineering department.
how does it matter? They are the ones who provide the fund.
No, yes.
No. Look at this. They're trying on it. Please. Para 6. When then they.
Affidavit of whom? Whose affidavit? Number 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, who?
For number 3, your.
Tara?
5 and 6.
Come to. So there were two works given to you. There were two works given to you. Two works.
And out of them, 1,70,000. And that's the pay. That's remain, madam. They don't give some time, madam. Since they admitted, madam, they are trying to possible state for release fund. All right.
Lordship, kindly pay with
That's-
para
that's what's
4
about.
also.
Well, how is it so difficult for you to make Jal Shakti a party? You make Jal Shakti a party, then we dispose it of. How does it how?
But the same thing, madam.
No.
They will, Jal Shakti will come, some other department, they are not representing the Jal Shakti.
No, Mr. Counsel, what is happening is like this. Now, supposing we pass an order that it should be paid. They don't pay. Then you'll have to come in contempt. In the contempt, what they will say is, Jal Shakti has not paid us. Then,
Kindly appreciate, madam, para 6, madam.
Yeah.
They themselves admitted, madam, they are trying to take the from the, that is the water
We
resource.
are trying, your lordship. We have made him.
Jal Shakti is a 22 scheme, only
No, no.
has come into existence.
No. That's
from where do you say it's a 2022 scheme? From where do you say that? Is it part of our affidavit? You file an additional affidavit then.
Madam,
If-
27, madam.
We have passed so many orders, Mr. Counsel, you're not going to listen. How does it matter?
Madam, 27 May.
Huh?
27.
I have read. And you wait for let you argue this before the same judge. And list the matter. On the prayer of the petition council, list the matter. After 3 weeks. He'll come after 3 weeks. Maybe 4th week, sorry. After 4 weeks.
Right, they've been asked to take in.
Mr. Council, it's so simple. You just file an application, it'll be allowed, and the order will come automatically. Why do you want to argue? I don't know. Because at the end of the day, when there's a contempt, at the time of contempt, it becomes easier for this court to implement the order. You don't want.
But if you meet the violation, we have to file.
You find there is no bar. Where's the bar? No observation is required. You file it tomorrow, we'll hear it tomorrow.
The day after 2 weeks.
Okay, this is a matter of 2 weeks. Yes.
Madam, kindly go to last order, madam, 24th. Petitioners counsel was to take instructions from his client, either they are going to arbitration or not.
I've explained to my client, he insisted no, it will dispose of on merit, but even on merit, your lordship will taking into account of the arbitration. Clause, it will-
Correct.
Yes, I'm. Accordingly.
Okay, okay. Heard, Mr.
Because
BKC, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. D. Gogol, learned counsel for the PHE department.
Want to fight it?
The petitioner's case is that
No?
to access the court method, I have.
the petitioner was awarded nine work orders by the PHE department, Tezpur Division 1, Sonitpur district, for implementation of various pipe water supply schemes, bracket PWSS, bracket close, out of which the petitioner successfully completed 4 work orders. However, the petitioner could not complete 5 work orders, namely at New Phulbari, number 2, Auhala Gaon PWSS, New Namgaon T PWSS, Kachu Bill, it's here in the synopsis, not 5 of them. The reason given by the petitioner for not being able to complete the above 5 work orders was due to the heavy layers of boulders in the site, in the work site, and the fact that the bore well machinery was not able to dig more than 180 feet. Accordingly, now in view of the above reason, the petitioner was unable to do the work and requested the authorities to allow him to do similar kind of work in different locations.
Codex,
Huh?
or to use codex machine, which was not in the tab.
Or to use
Codex
spelling
OTPX.
ODEX, ODEX machine. However, the respondent number 3, by letter dated 8/6/2022, cancelled the work order for implementation of the contract work in the 5 schemes, which are as follows. That's again in the last paragraph of the synopsis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next paragraph, the petitioner has thus approached this court, praying that the impugned cancellation letter dated 8/6/2022 should be set aside, and the respondents should be directed to allow the petitioner to execute the remaining works by granting sufficient time, and be pleased to direct the respondents not to encash the performance guarantee amount deposited with the respondents against the 5 schemes in question. That's all? That's all. Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the PhD. On the other hand, submits that any dispute or difference between the parties arising out of this is different. Mr. Gogoi, this arbitration, it speaks of subject to the provisions of this bid document. Any dispute or difference between the parties hereto arising out of any notified claim of the contractor included in his final bill
Oh,
in accordance with the provisions of this document and so shall be referred to arbitration. Does not talk about termination.
this has to be, that goes to different area altogether.
Yes, it talks about basically, it talks of final bill.
That has not arisen till now because final bill issue is not cropped up now.
Not, it is basically with regard to termination.
Them filed in affidavit in
Well, I have to bring perhaps the whole agreement if it is there. The whole agreement. is-
Yes, you have to bring, I'm finding it's quite strange. That only final bill issue is, yeah, I think you have to bring the contract agreement. I think it might be there, the entire thing.
Entire agreement has to be.
It has to be there somewhere.
Yes.
It cannot be this, because anything arising out of the contract, any dispute arising out of the contract is usually, amenable to arbitration.
Well, will give me some time, I'll bring that. The other part of the order.
What have I said?
Like it, well,
May PC on the PC on the other hand submit that he may be given time to bring the entire contract agreement executed between the parties to clarify whether
Yes.
a termination of the contract, whether a challenge to the termination of the contract is amenable to arbitration
Well,
proceedings.
2 weeks.
List the matter on.
2 weeks.
This is the matter after 2 weeks.
All is done.
50. Contract matter. Have been demanded forest quality by the railway department.
Item 50.
And also the railway department. and the-
You are supposed to file a reply.
They're supposed to file a reply.
Are you filing?
So if my affidavit is ready, only thing is also in this particular which the RTI, whether there is an agreement with the forest department for payment of royalty or not. There is, they have admitted that there is no agreement for payment of forest royalty. And they have also produced notification.
So you are relying upon the judgment.
So that is why nothing we have to bring on record this. It is ready. Only agreement with the forest department. it is not
There need not be any agreement with the forest department, because the contract is awarded by the railway.
Railways, Lord.
And when he comes for bill, my lord, railway has to, he has to satisfy railway that he has paid the royalty. This aspect need not be raised, my lord. He need not come into any contact with the forest department.
If they have the notification, we have collected notification from the RTI.
Can you file a reply?
Yes.
Mr.
Okay, forest, we have stand also.
He's going in on a.
You file your reply.
We'll file reply after we will. If forest department has an it will be better for us to decide the matter.
No, you see, are you relying upon the judgment, Justice Arun's judgment, I think?
No, but the grant now also has been clarified in the division bench.
Okay,
That we can ask for the source.
just give me the.
There is a tender
that judgment.
clauses there, your lordship. And that apart also, madam, if a contract doesn't contain a clause, but it cannot be, can it be, can it follow it, madam, statute?
Anyway, let him fight his reply. Just let me see this part. Mr. S.K. Goswami submits that affidavit in reply is ready
Ready.
and will be filed within a week. List the matter after a week.
17.
Your Honor, I have not received instruction matter, then we allowed 1 week time.
Miss
DS New Bureau, irrigation. Department.
D.S. Niyog,
Yes,
Merit Council for the
irrigation department,
Irrigation Department is granted
1 week time. Your Lordship.
a week's time to file affidavit in position. List the
No,
matter
my
after a
lord.
week.
18.
18, I have received instruction, my lord, but it is not clear. Man. So whether both the matter may come after 1 week.
Okay, same order, same order. Are you sure 1 week?
If your lordship, please then give me 2 weeks. please.
Give 2 weeks, no point. No point. 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
19.
Same order.
Here pleadings are complete, minor next to hearing.
I'm telling you, madam. They are different.
Okay, right. Mr. B. Chakrabarti, Land Council for the petitioner. And Mr.
SK Chakraborty.
S.K. Chakrabarti for the
Respondent.
respondents. Submit that pleadings are complete. Accordingly, leave this matter when?
13th, my lord.
Leave this matter after a week.
Hmm.
Okay, we will leave it. September. No, not September. Now is August, huh?
July.
July. If
20th.
it's so, is it a covered matter? No.
Almost covered, madam. You
Oh.
called by your lordship. I'll be placing that one. Until 21.
Extended matter for the key over there.
Right. Regarding. I said,
Off license. So,
it's not, participated, but people not recommended. As far the report of the inspector of excise is necessary, most suitable.
his candidature is most suitable. Who petitioner's candidature. Then what happened? Then why didn't you get?
But as far the present and extra if is what country. Recommended.
Who is the respondent?
Sure.
Monisha Roy.
That point was agitated in a,
Huh?
that point was agitated by the petitioner, my lords, annexure 42, page 42. He pointed out some lacuna in the papers of the private respondent because the land offered by the private respondent was a government surplus land.
Okay.
So we are asked to take a conscious decision as regards the eligibility of the private respondent. Then they file a contempt matters, we pass an order. Actually,
They file a contempt that we are not complying because the learned single judge.
This page 42.
Yes, my lord.
This is filed by him.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, this is the
I-
earlier repetition.
Same ground.
Okay, same issue. The second time. So out here, the order, then let me see the direction. Direction was shall complete, no, what is that? The- So what is the decision taken pursuant to this order?
My lord, in the intervening period, my lord, they file a contempt petition.
Correct.
So the impugn order, my lords, at the page 52.
52.
52, my lord. We sought a clarification from the revenue department. That whether
Right.
surplus land is permissible or not.
So any clarification given?
No, my lords. They didn't give any clarification. Since under the pressure of the contempt, my lord, we didn't wait for the clarification also. And since our rules are silent, excise rules are silent as regard the surplus land or TOSI land, my lords, so we pass this order.
So this surplus land means it is not the private respondent's land.
Yes, that clarification was required, my lord. The revenue has to be.
No, no, but then is the respondent number 5 a party here?
Yes,
The party.
party,
She has not come,
not comment.
not come to this court. Revenue is a party here? Huh? You make revenue a party here? No, what is this? This is a,
If
Re-
revenue comes with the
WTC.
records, my lords, we can.
yes, you see, make revenue a party. Then we will tell them to take a decision here
Yes,
as to whether it is the respondent number 5's land.
yes.
If it is not her land, then she'll have to show that she has been given no objection by the owner of the land to set up her IMFL off license there, the shop there. That will clarify
Yes, sir.
everything. So you file a application for impeachment. My God, otherwise this matter is of 24. Instead of that, what you can do, you can withdraw this and file a fresh writ petition in making revenue a party. Then it will be easier. Then you have to file application for amendment. Then
Yes.
that'll be allowed. Then you've got to file amended writ petition. It takes time. I don't know. It depends upon you. You file. You make them a party. You make that a party. Revenue department. The concerned DC, I think, will have to be made a party also.
Circle officer, DC.
Circle officer,
Then a
DC, all of those persons who have got to do measurement, they've got to meet party, huh? Then, so have you already given the thing to them? No,
Perhaps my lord, they're running, my lords.
they're running.
They're running.
Anyway, you do that, I think better.
Yes.
I'm leaving it up to you. I'm not taking you. So you want to withdraw or what? Or you want to file an amendment? Okay.
Better to withdraw and fill it. fresh.
Better, it's better. Everything will be clearer then. Mr. J. Laskar, learned counsel for the, Mr. A. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Pray that he may be allowed to. Your name is not here.
Hi, wakalat number আছে না?
Huh? There. Mr. A. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Pray that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh by impleading the concerned the district commissioner and circle officer, etc. Mr. D. Gogoi appears for the
Excise.
excise department, and while Ms. Udas appears for respondent number 3. The prayer of the petitions council is allowed. The petition is dismissed as withdrawn, comma, with liberty as paid for. Fine. All right.
23.
I please your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we have not received our instruction, your lordship. Lordship, kindly 2 weeks time may be given further our application.
Okay, Miss
J. Pora, lordship, on
J.
behalf of J. Pora.
On behalf of
S. Dr. Lordship.
S. Datta, learned counsel for the For the-
Respondent number 1, 4 and 5, lordship.
1, 4 and 5.
Lordship.
Praise for how much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to obtain instructions and
Lord-
file affidavit.
Lord.
Praise allowed, list the matter. You're there? Miss, you just appear for respondents number 20. List the matter after 2 weeks. Interim order passed today shall continue till the next week.
Obvious, your lordship.
24.
Have you filed affidavit?
But we have filed our affidavit, my lord, on.
Nothing is here in this record. Anyway,
But we filed the affidavit on 21/2/24, my lord.
21, 2, 24.
Sorry. Sorry, my lord. 2nd of July, my lord. And they have also filed a reply, my lord.
On 26 July also we have filed it. Immediately after close it. Also, my kindly do one thing. There is a stay order, also we are already done.
Yes, yes.
And lordship, the respondent number 5 has filed their affidavit in opposition. If that is their lordship, you kindly.
Respondent number 5 has filed opposition.
Which is not.
Nothing is here in the report. That's what my-
Which is
Lordship.
lordship, good, my lord. This matter may come up after a week, my lord. Along with the affidavit.
Why?
We file our affidavit on position, my lord, which is not on record, my lord.
Anyway, you have got it with you.
Yes, I have.
I am at a disadvantage, not you.
Lordship, I am submitting. They have had an affidavit in opposition. Despite order, stay order of not report. They have released the amount. They have mentioned in the affidavit that they format, that some have already released running bill amounting to rupees 9 lakh. Very lordship, unfortunately. So lordship, I am praying for only taking so much of cognizance of content proceedings.
Unfortunately, the affidavits are not with me.
Tomorrow, yes, sir, tomorrow, let me take up in this matter.
Okay.
But the that along with the affidavit, lordship may take up in our affidavit in paragraph 16 and 17, we have shown that before this stay order, some progress was there and some money was paid. That we have said.
That was not, after lordship stay order passed.
No.
They are
Not
mentioned in the
not-
affidavit.
not before this stay order, not before the stay,
Misleading lordship.
not before the stay order.
Order is specifically mentioned in the affidavit also.
That during the financial,
It's on 30 lordship, record will reveal everything.
yes.
And if that is there,
Yes.
actually they are filing, lordship takes some of the problem.
Yes, lordship will, definitely.
I have not had separate pension.
Yes, my lord, lordship.
We'll see, we'll see.
I'll indicate, I can
Mr.
indicate-
Mr. Dinath, learned counsel for the respondents number 1 to 4.
Lordship.
Submits that affidavit in opposition has been filed on 2nd July, 27, 2024. Mr. What is your name?
Oh, he passport, Vinod passport,
Vinod,
on behalf of respondent five,
Vinod
passport. BS
Baswa,
passport.
Basfor. Counsel for the respondent number 5. Submits that affidavit in opposition has been filed on has been filed on dash. Has been filed when? In July.
Ma'am, and I-
You don't know which month you have filed it.
In June. But
Has filed affidavit in opposition in June 2024. Full stop. Mr. J. Kalita submit that affidavit in reply has been filed.
in 25 we have filed it, right? In 24. no.
my lord, June, my lord,
Huh?
on June, my lord.
In June, no, June, that's all right. So in 24 you have not filed. Yeah, are you filing anything?
Yes.
Mr. J. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that affidavit in reply will be filed within this week, within this week, within this week. List this matter on Monday, huh? Then in item 25, same thing, huh? Except Mr. J. Kalita submits that he has filed affidavit in reply. This is matter on Monday.
Interim order that will continue.
Interim order to continue, huh? Both the cases.
But in item number 24,
Yeah.
I got a copy of the reply, my lord.
Acha, registry to place the same on record,
Yes,
huh?
fine.
Both, huh?
Huh? 25 to 2.
Item 24, he has not filed as yet.
In item 24, I have filed respect refer number 1/4, not against file.
Say that.
That is empty.
That is not what you said.
In 24 and 25, he has filed reply
To
to
both.
our affidavit. To our affidavit.
1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 5 is not right. In the respect of item number 24. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have filed. Two members said they have received. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are a government receipt. I have replied to the.
Okay, don't say anything. Just, you have written the respondents, you have said, no? Just list the matter on Monday. In the meantime, the affidavit in reply may be filed by the petitioner, that's all. Registry to place the same on record thereafter.
Orders.
May I please your lordship? I am appearing for newly imputed respondent. I may be allowed to.
Respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6.
I may be allowed to file.
And Ms. Bora, you?
For the 8 and 4 and 2 and 4.
2 and 4, and you?
We have
Then-
received instruction. We have received your instruction.
Okay, you have received instruction, all of you? All of you? Oh, very good. What about respondent number 1? No, there is not, huh?
One is no longer.
Okay, okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Ms. R.B. Bora appearing for respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6, comma, Mr. S.P. Bora for respondent number,
For 2 and
S. Bora for 2 and 4, and Mr. B. Chowdhury for 3. Submit that they have all received instructions and they will be filing affidavits within 3 weeks. Okay, list the matter after 3.
Number 7, as part of 25th of July, it is mentioned that
Lordship, actually name,
that is the-
name is wrong lordship. Actually, Santa Bosumotari, Sujit Baglari.
Title is changed.
Title change
It's a change.
should be Santa Bosumotari. 6. 7 should be Sujit Baglari.
You file an application for correction of your thing. You have to file. We cannot do it orally now because the system will not accept.
30 and 31.
There is no return of AD from 2 and 3. What to do?
One is for Mr. RM that is secured.
Now you take fresh steps or what to do? Because the last notice was issued in October and nothing will happen now. Yes, madam, you are appearing for whom?
The contempt theology.
Which condemned? There are 4 of them.
One is for their limit.
1 and 4, your lordship.
Yes,
I am that.
so where is your affidavit? Why are you not complying?
Petition has been filed against that order and that is listed today on.
Okay,
They did main petition is it's very important.
huh? The review petition is there.
Not-
Huh?
Main petition.
The main, huh?
Yes, in that case, I have after paying for the petition.
The main writ petition? Let us see the order.
Yes.
This is the interim order that is being,
Mine.
huh?
Mine.
Let us see.
Is 15. This. This thing. Okay. Studying deduction of forest relation. By the being implement of the deduction. That's a little tough. And the main reason is the parted and listed today before the court martial.
No further deduction of forest royalty shall be made.
Fine.
So. Okay, anyway, so the main writ petition is going to be heard today.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Okay, then let us wait.
Fine.
Right,
10 minutes, we will see, we will take.
okay, right. Office note indicates that there is no return of AD card or unserved notice from the respondent number 2 and 3. Petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondents number 2 and 3 within 3 days. First up. Next. Mr. P. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms.
Ardeka.
R. Dekha, learned counsel for the
That's one number one.
respondent number 1 and 4. Submits that the main writ petition is going to be heard today. First up. This is the matter. After 3 weeks. Or 4 weeks.
Lordship, I think.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, may I please your Lordship, in item 32, Lordship, I am appearing for the contempt here, Lordship. We have received the monitoring status report by which we have forwarded our status to the Jal Shakti Department, your Lordship. May I pray that I may be allowed to bring it on record by way of.
No, why are you not paying? We don't want the
Because
communication.
the same problem, your Lordship, Jal Shakti has not released the money.
Who is
your Lordship.
appearing for Jal Shakti?
Lordship, Jal Shakti is not party in
Huh?
the writ petition. And the writ petition was disposed of by common order, your Lordship. Now contemners, actually, this is the
That-
problem, your
Now, you see, that is the problem. Now, what to do? That is the stand they are taking all the time. They are saying Jal Shakti is not a party.
But we are directed.
And then the fund has to be provided by the center.
Every case, your Lordship.
It is executed by Water Resource Department, but the fund is coming from the center.
Yes.
That is what. There are cases that the fund is coming from the Jal Shakti, executed by Water Resource Department. That is the problem. Now that is the issue. Now what to do? That is why you put Jal Shakti there so that we can get hold of Jal Shakti also.
Because in the order, we are directed to produce the status report before the Ministry of Jal Shakti, your Lordship. And we have done our part, your Lordship. But in spite of that, your Lordship, we have not received the fund, your Lordship.
They see out here again it said in this order. Within 60 days of receipt of the communication, the Ministry of Jal Shakti to release the amount in the batch of writ petition. Now, but Jal Shakti has not been made a party. Is Jal Shakti a party here in this contempt? Huh? Madam, you please make the Jal Shakti, the secretary of the Jal Shakti a party here in your contempt. You please make them a party. Since they are party in the writ. In some of the writ petitions at least. And since the common order, you use them. So that then we can issue notice to the Jal Shakti also. To the secretary. You understand what I'm saying? Then you make them party. On the prayer of the petitioner, on the prayer made by Miss R. Dekha, learned counsel for the point 1 and 4. This is the matter after 2 weeks to enable her to file.
File the affidavit in opposition.
to file affidavit.
Obliged.
33. But in this case, I received a copy of the affidavit filed for the respondent number 2, and it's time to file a reply. They got an award of the local copy.
You have filed the affidavit of opposition.
They have filed the affidavit in opposition. I
So?
received it today,
Ah,
so I need some time to file a reply.
okay. Mr. S. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the affidavit of opposition has been received by him today. He is accordingly granted how much time?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit reply. List the matter after 2 weeks.
My presence may be there.
Mr.
Respondent number 2, R.K. Batra.
Okay,
Batra.
Batra appears for respondent number 2.
Okay, wait for it. 8 months. 22nd. 22nd.
August.
22nd. Report is on.
22nd August.
No.
When do you want? After that? Give.
23rd.
Obliged.
Lordship pursuant to your lordship order on 24/5/2024.
Item 34. Yes,
Pursuant to your lordship order on 24/5/2024. There is an office note on 24/6/2024. There was some confusion regarding the Bhagatnama filed by the respondent number 1 and 2. That has been clarified by the registry.
okay. So you are appearing for, and you, madam?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1.
So why are you not complying with the order?
Lordship, we have received instruction. Can we accommodate 1 week time to file affidavit?
Miss,
Oh, Asumi on behalf of DNR.
you got the name, Miss, you write it, you write it. Miss so appearing on behalf of
Mr. DNR.
Mr. Deenat, learned counsel for the respondent number
1.
1, submits that parawise comments have been received and that they will be filing affidavit within
1 week.
1
week.
Are you sure? Within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks.
The same party, there are other 3 complaints.
Mister, are you there? Yes. The one with the phone. Are you here in this case?
I'm for 35.
No, Lordship,
Yes, sir. So what to do if she's not here?
Lordship can pick it up.
together.
Petition number 71, 64, 70, and 80.
List the matter on.
Any date.
Give a date.
Lordship. You can already.
Okay, just a minute. Yes, the next item, what is that?
No. Similar.
Similar contempt.
Oh, so list this matter along with
Along with content number 71 of 24,
71 of 24,
64 of 24,
64 of 24,
70 of 2024,
70.
80. 84.
This is 871.
That's all? Any,
Lordship is 84 of 2020. Today is 70.
Today is 71.
so just tell me which one?
Lordship 64.
64 of 2020,
24,
24,
70 of 2024,
70 of 2024,
84 of 2020.
and 84 of 2020. 18 of 2020.
84.
Huh?
84.
No, maybe 80.
80.
I'll verify and I'll give it. I will certify.
Like this.
Yeah, you are appearing for?
I'm for the sole respondent, your lordship.
Has it been complied with?
Lordship, here in this matter, in the contempt petition, the opposite party has been arraigned as one Sanjeev Kumar Saikia. He is SP Karbi Anglong.
Ah.
But the concerned SP, that superintendent of SP West Karbi Anglong, he is not holding that post, your lordship, presently. So, since that by name it has went to SP Karbi Anglong, that means the one who is in Difu. So he has sent me the instruction that it may name be striked off and let that, your lordship, Indronil Borua is present in the SP West Karbi Anglong, that is Amrit. So proper name be,
Mister,
I'm B Deori.
B. Dury
Ah.
appears on behalf of the respondent and
Yes.
submits that Shri Sanjeev Kumar Saikia is not the SP West Karbi Anglong.
Yes, yes.
The SP West Karbi Anglong is Mr. Indranil
Barua.
Barwa. Sir. The Mr. A.K. Hussain, the member counsel for the petitioner, submits that he will make an application for impleading Indranil Barwa,
Or present one.
who is the
They may
present,
change
who is
tomorrow.
the present SP West Karbi Anglong.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
At that time, he was, madam, he was.
He was,
Hobo এখন।
but then
Yeah.
now he is, this is
Ah.
what to do.
One week, maybe.
Maybe, but then you have got to follow, you have got to follow him with another implement application. What to do?
In this case, we may.
This is the matter after 2 weeks.
36 is complete.
Okay, Mr. A.K. Hussain submits that the present contempt petition can be closed as the order dated 21/7/23 passed in WPC 248/223 has been complied. Miss
Oh, awesome.
Asumi appears on behalf of Mr. Dinath, learned counsel for the respondent. In view of the submission made by Mr. A.K. Hussain, the contempt petition stands closed as withdrawn, as closed. Then stands closed. That's all. Nowadays, the finishing of very fast.